Hello everyone, welcome to the Maths Academy. We have to solve the most interesting maths question, that is 8 to the power of x plus 2 is equal to 120, and we have to find the value of x. Solution. The question is 8 to the power of x plus 2 is equal to 120. Now here, to solve this question, we know that a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So to apply this condition here, this will become a to the power of x times a to the power of 2 is equal to 120. Now in the next step, a to the power of x times a square is equal to 64. This is equal to 120. Now we have to divide both sides by 64. This side divided by 64 and this side divided by 64. Here this 64 cancel with the 64, so here a to the power of x left. A to the power of x is equal to 120 over 64. Now again a to the power of x is equal to, this 120 is equal to 8 times 15 over this 64 can be written as 8 times 8. A to the power of x is equal to, this 8 cancel with this 8, so here 15 left over 8. Now to solve this interesting question, we have to take log at both sides. So taking common log at both sides, this will become log of a to the power of x is equal to log of 15 over 8. Now we have to divide both sides by, first of all we know that log of m of power p is equal to p log of m. Now we have to move this x to the here by applying this condition, so this will become x log of 8 is equal to log of 15 over 8. Now after this we have to divide both sides by log of 8, so this side divided by log of 8 and this side divided by log of 8. So here this log of 8 cancels with this log of 8, so x is equal to log of 15 over 8 over log of 8. Now we also know that here to solve this interesting question, we know that log of a over b is equal to log of a minus log of b. So to apply this condition, this will become x is equal to log of 15 minus log of 8 over log of 8. Now we have to separate the fractions, so this will become x is equal to log of 15 over log of 8 minus log of 8 over log of 8, log of 8 over log of 8. X is equal to log of 15 over log of 8 minus, here this log of 8 cancels with this log of 8, so here 1. Now again we know that here 15 is this 15 is equal to 3 times 5. Now x is equal to log of 3 times 5 over log of 8 minus 1. Now here again we know that here to solve this, we know that log of a times b is equal to log of a plus log of b. Log of a and b is equal to log of a plus log of b. So this will become x is equal to log of 3 plus log of 5 over log of 8 minus 1. Now in the next step we have to separate the fractions. X is equal to log of 3 over log of 8 plus log of 5 over log of 8. So log of 3 over log of 8 plus log of 5 over log of 8 minus 1. Now in the next step, here we know that 8 is equal to 2 to the power of 3. So we have to replace this by 2 to the power of 3. So this will become x is equal to log of 3 power log of 2 to the power of 3 plus log of 5 power log of 2 to the power of 3 minus 1. Now again, to solve this here, we know that log of m of power t, this is equal to t log of m. So again here this 3 move here, so this will become x is equal to log of 3 power 3 log of 2 plus log of 5 power 3 log of 2 minus 1. X is equal to, now again we can write this as a 1 over 3 times log of 3 over log of 2 plus 1 over 3 times log of 5 over log of 2 minus 1. Now again we know that here, to solve this interesting question, log of a over log of b, this is equal to log of a of base b. So we have to apply this condition here, so this will become x is equal to 1 over 3 times log of 3 of base 2 plus 1 over 3 times log of 5 of base 2 minus 1. Now in the next step here, x is equal to, suppose this is denominator 1, so here LCM is 3, so here 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1, 1 time this become this, that is log of 3 of base 2 plus 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1, 1 time this should become this log of 5 of base 2 minus 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3, 3 times minus 1 is equal to minus 3. So this is x is equal to log of 3 of base 2 plus log of 5 of base 2 minus 3 divided by 3. So this is the final answer of this question. Now we have to check our answer, either it is correct or not. So the question is a to the power of x plus 2 is equal to 120. Now we have to substitute the value of x. So a to the power of, the value of x is log of 3 of base 2 plus log of 5 of base 2 minus 3 divided by 3 is equal to 120. And here, sorry, this is plus 2, so here plus 2. Now again a to the power of, so here denominator is 1, so again we have to take 3 as LCM, so here 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1, 1 time this will become this, that is a log of 3 of base 2 plus log of 5 of base 2, and here minus 3 plus 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3, 3 times 2 is equal to 6, which is equal to 120. Now here in the next step, a to the power of 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 plus log of here log of 3 of base 2 plus log of 5 of base 2 over 3 is equal to 120. Now again in the next step we know that this 8 can also be written as 2 to the power of 3 and to the whole power of 3 plus log of 3 of base 2 plus log of 5 of base 2 over 3, which is equal to 120. Now here this 3 cancel with this 3, so 2 to the power of 3 plus log of 3 of base 2 plus log of 5 of base 2 is equal to 120. Now again we know that to solve this, this is in the form of a to the power of m plus n. This is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So to apply this condition here, this will become 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of log of 3 of base 2 log of 3 of base 2 times 2 to the power of log of 5 of base 2, and this is equal to 120. Now in the next step to solve this interesting question, we know that 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8 times, and again here we know that a to the power of log of b of base a, this is equal to b. So here to apply this condition, here the b is equal to 3 and here is equal to 5. So b is equal to 3 and b is equal to 5. This is equal to 120 in the next step. Here 8 times 3 is equal to 24 times 5 is equal to 120, and at the last 24 times 5 is equal to 120, and this is equal to 120. So this shows that the left hand side and the right hand side are equal. So our answer is log of 3 of base 2 plus log of 5 of base 2 minus 3 over 3. This is the value of x. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.